Hi, I am Shivang Thakkar, Partner Success Manager at Cue Home. In our previous video, we unboxed Cue Core and explored what Cue Desk has to offer system integrators. Today, we are demonstrating our first integration, KNX, and showing you how Cue helps you deploy, manage, and maintain KNX projects faster and better. And throughout this integration series, I will be proving why Cue Core is the most value-engineered smart home controller ever, with 10 practical proofs.
Let's begin by understanding how a KNX setup works and how seamlessly it integrates into Cue Home. Step number 1. ETS Preparation. Go to your ETS software and first complete your KNX programming in ETS, exactly as you normally would. There is no change to your existing workflow. Once your ETS programming is completed, export the project as a CSV file. In order to do that, go to Group Addresses and right-click there, Export Group Addresses, and follow the standard ETS CSV export structure. Keep CSV in output format, 3x1 in CSV format, export with header line, comma in CSV separator, and you can also define the path location where your file needs to be saved in the PC. Click on OK, and your group addresses will be exported in the CSV format. If you want 100% compatibility with the Cue AI workflow, refer to our sample project guidelines. The link is in the description below. By slightly refining your ETS structure, you ensure clean device mapping, automatic room structuring, zero reprogramming, and no duplicate configuration. You program once in ETS and never repeat the work again. Let's come to step number 2 now. KNX interface setup. Let's connect Cue Core to the KNX system. You have two options to do that. Option number 1. Using built-in KNX TP. Cue Core includes a native KNX TP interface. Simply connect the KNX TP bus directly to Cue Core and assign a physical address in ETS. To do that, you need to go to Projects, and the project that you have created, click on View, go to Controller, and then Configuration. It will take you to the Configurator tool of Cue Desk. Go to Curated there, then go to Services here, and click on KNX IP interface. You need to enter your physical address here. So as I said, you need to check which physical address is still unused to use. So let's use 1.1.8 and click on Save. So KNX configuration is updated successfully. Once connected, the indicator in Cue Desk turns red. The third LED on Cue Core remains stable. This confirms connection to the KNX bus. No third-party IP interface required. Now let's come to option number 2, using existing KNX IP interface. If a project already uses a KNX IP router, you can integrate via KNX IP as well. You need to go to the product sections, click on the plus sign on KNX, and you have 3 KNX connection types: automatic, tunneling, and routing. You need to select tunneling, click on Save, and this will show you all the devices, all the IP interfaces that are available in your network. We'll select this and click on Save. We'll keep this automatic only and save. No need to change your architecture. Cue adapts to your project, not the other way around. Now let's import the CSV file that we exported from the ETS software from step number 1. We'll go to KNX, we'll select .csv method here. You can drag and drop the file and choose the file as well from your PC. So we'll take this file that we exported, and now it has been uploaded. So once uploaded, in under 1 minute, Cue automatically read all group addresses, maps devices room by room here. As you can see, we have switches which are arranged room by room. Then we'll go to light. It also arranges room by room and very cleanly. It identifies lights, dimmers, blinds, HVAC, sensors, and all the other devices and structures everything cleanly. No manual remapping, no duplicate reprogramming, no wasted hours. What typically takes 5 to 7 hours, sometimes even days, is now completed in minutes. At this stage, all you need to do is adjust icons if required, make small visual refinements, and you are done.
In case you want to add the group addresses and devices manually, you can do that as well. For that you need to go to curated and go to KNX, and besides .csv option you have group addresses option where you can manually add the addresses for the device types. You simply need to select the device that you want to add and manually type the addresses here, assigning it to any room. Let's have it living room, and you can also give it a name. So yes, this is also another method that we have given, but of course once you are habituated and once you get your hands on CSV method, it is very difficult to switch to group addresses, manual group address method, because the CSV method that we earlier actually saw, it is far easier and simpler as compared to group addresses.
Hello everyone. So now we'll see the entire KNX setup on our mobile app. So this is a Cue Home app and this is the KNX setup. And we also have a couple of devices here. We'll try controlling these devices through the mobile app and the KNX keypad. But first let's see how all the devices are organized room by room and mapped already. So all you need to do is icon management and tile resizing. We'll try with the icon management first. So we'll try with the lights. You simply need to hold the icon, go to settings, and here you will have all the available variants of the light. Let's switch it to this one and click on save. And it is that easy. The icon has been changed now. The another part of personalization is the tile resizing of all the devices. You need to go to edit mode, and here you can resize the tiles. This very smooth. We also have this super big view of the AC, and it is advisable, it is recommended to keep the enlarged view of the AC. We'll show you why. Let's try controlling it. So this is how it looks. You can change the temperature and you can change the modes as well and the fan speed as well. So the view looks very beautiful. It becomes very easy for the user to control the temperature and the important features of the AC. Now let's try controlling the lights that we have. I will control it through the keypad, and please pay attention here in the mobile app. The response will be instantly registered within a second. So the light has been turned on here and in the mobile app as well. And here we have the bars for the dimming of the light. We'll try it with the keypad, and please pay attention here. It will be instantly reflected in the mobile app as well as I dim it with the switch. It is super fast, right? We'll do that again. It went up to 100% here in the mobile app, very fast. And now we'll try controlling the switches, the lights that we have. So here we have the light icons, the light devices in the mobile app. It has been turned off here as well. It is very fast in the mobile app. Let's turn this off. So in today's video, you saw how KNX seamlessly integrates into Cue Home. And this is the proof number 1 why we call Cue Core the most value engineered professional smart home controller ever. Thank you. See you in the next integration video.